Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word ambidextrous. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The baseball player was ambidextrous, able to throw the ball with equal skill, using both his right and left hands. An ambidextrous person is able to use both hands equally well, showing skill and proficiency in tasks that require dexterity with either hand. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.